Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever looked at a really big number and thought, whoa, how do I even say that? You see them everywhere, right? On price tags, street signs, even in your favorite video games. Well, get ready because today we're going to learn the secret to reading them all. It's going to be easy, I promise. So you might see a number like this, and it looks a little tricky. But guess what? It's actually super simple once you know the secret. And in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to read this. No problem. So what is this big secret I keep talking about? It's one simple idea called place value. That sounds fancy, but it just means that every number has its own special spot, and that spot tells us what it's worth. It's like a secret code for numbers. For the big numbers we're looking at, there are 4 special places. If we look from right to left, we have the ones place, then the tens place, the hundreds place, and the big one, the thousands place. And here's the most important tip. We always read numbers from left to right, starting with the biggest place. Okay, let's try one. Let's take this number right here. We've got a 1, a 2, a 4, and a 6. To figure out how to say it, all we have to do is put each digit in its special home on our place value chart. Okay, check this out. The 1 that goes in the thousands spot, the 2 slides right into the hundreds spot. The 4 fits perfectly in the tens spot, and last but not least, the 6 goes in the ones spot. See? Every number has its own home. Easy. And now for the really fun part. We just read what's on the chart from left to right. So we have 1,000, 200, and 46. Let's put it all together. 1,246. See? You just read a big number. Awesome. You did great on that one. So let's try another one together. Now, this next one has a little trick inside, but I know you can handle it. Take a look at this number. Do you see it? There's a 0 right in the middle. Now, zeros are actually super important. They're what we call placeholders, which just means they're holding a spot for us. Let's get it on our chart. The 3 that goes in the thousands place. The 6 is in the hundreds place. Now look at that 0. It goes right in the tens place, and it's telling us something important. There are 0 tens. And finally, the 4 goes in the ones place. So how do we read it? We just say 3,000s, then 600, and since there's a 0 in the tens place, we just skip right over it and say the last part, and 4. So the whole thing is 3,604. That 0 was just telling us to skip that spot. Okay, you are doing so well. I think you're ready to try some all by yourself. It's your turn to be the star. I'm going to show you a number and you say it out loud at home. I'll give you a moment to think. You ready? Let's do it. All right, here's your first one. Take a good look. Think about our place value chart. How would you read this number? Go ahead and say it. I'll wait. So how'd you do? The answer is 5,896. If you got that right, give yourself a little pat on the back. Amazing job. Okay, ready for round 2? This one has a 0 in it, so remember what we do when we see a 0. How would you read this one? Take a second to think. Let's check your answer. It's 9,065. We just jumped right over the hundreds place because of that 0. You are totally becoming a place value expert. All right, here comes the final challenge. This is the biggest number we've looked at today. How do we say this one? You can do it. You got it. It's 10,000. Fantastic. You are officially a master at reading big numbers. That was excellent work. All right, now that you're so good at that, let's switch things up and play a different game. This time, I'm going to give you the number in words, and your job is to figure out the digits. It's kind of like being a number detective. Okay, detective, here's your first case. The words are 2,500. Think about which numbers go in which spots. What number would you write down? And the answer is 2,500. Did you see how we used zeros to hold the tens and ones places because we didn't hear them in the words? That's perfect detective work. Well done. Okay, let's do one last one to make sure you've got this. The words are 7,430. What digits do you think make up that number? Let's see how you did. The digits are 7, 4, 3, 0. 7,430. You did it! You are now officially a big number expert. That's so awesome. So let's just remember our big secret for today. It's all about place value. All you have to remember are our four special spots: thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And the number one rule: always read from left to right. You did an absolutely incredible job today. So now, I have a fun mission for you. For the rest of the day, I want you to be a number detective. Look for big numbers everywhere you go, in stores, on signs, maybe in a book, and practice saying them out loud. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Thanks for learning with me today. Bye!